Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable AF touch and drag settings on the Canon EOS R50 camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is click on the menu button to open up settings, and then we're going to use these four buttons to navigate through the menus, and we're going to go to the AF section and subsection number 3. And here you have touch and drag AF settings. So then you can press the set button to select it, and here you have the option of touch and drag AF, so you can either enable that or disable that. So that's about it. Once you select the option, you can just exit out the menu and it'll be saved automatically. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.